Go.
Doritos. Doritos. Okay, so right before this, it jumped out, and I screwed it out, went like in there, like, and then when I fell, it was not like this.
Yeah.
I was like holding on to my legs, like, save me out. I fell. Alright, so let's start this video.
Guys, this is super weird right now.
Oh my god.
I don't know what they're doing. They're like wrestling. We were about to do a slime video, and we're gonna be heading there right now. Guys, let's go do the slime video. You guys keep messing around. I'm gonna go film a slime video.
Fine.
Now we're going to play slime and do not fall down the stairs.
Don't fall down the stairs, Izzy. Just like I tried my drop down.
I may record it. I'm recording this in case. Guys, and
Like in case I slip, like.
they will do funny things in this video.
Watch you just hit me and I was falling.
I have no idea what's going on.
Where are you running to?
Okay, guys. Right now,
Jiggly slime is my prize magician.
Okay, so
guys, today we are going to be showing all our new slimes that they made today.
Yep. Okay.
And starting off, Carolina.
Slime!
Okay, so we were
Carolina, what is your beginning slime?
No, my beginning slime.
This is Izzy's beginning slime. It is the pink jiggly slime.
It's a jiggly slime. Okay, so before
It looks like Jigglypuff.
okay, so when
And
she was making this,
whatever you need to, the things that you need to use to make this is while you're making the slime, you need to add 2 cups of water.
To 1 cup of.
Yes. And then
And what
finish
else we
making the slime, and you will get a jiggly slime. And-
I added 3 cups of water to 1
And guys, now,
to a half of it.
guys, now we're going to check out Carolina's slime.
No, my slime.
my slime. You know, slime.
Carolina, let's see your slime.
So I start off with.
No, Carolina doesn't have a slime. It's
Yes, I do. I have 4.
Okay.
All right. So which one should I do?
You can pick.
Just name one, Lyndon.
These are the 4 slimes that she
Pick one.
had made. And
Today.
we are going to start off with the supposed to be jiggly slime.
So it is jiggly slime. I just didn't add like
Enough water, so it's not really jiggly slime. It's a nice slime. It's not like too sticky. The water kind of like waters it down, so it's not as sticky.
It's like stuck to the bag. Yeah, I don't want to get all this out. So yeah.
So
It's
she
very
obviously
less
isn't taking it out of the bag. And Izzy, let's check out your second slime of the day.
My second slime.
Guys, while she's grabbing it, we have a challenge for you. See if you guys can subscribe and turn on notifications in 5 seconds.
3, 2, slime.
Did you guys get it in those 5 seconds? If you did, leave it in the comments below. And let's check out Izzy's next slime.
It's better than anything you ever made. I like to fart. I like to fart. Wait, is that why?
I don't know if you could hear that, but
She
she just farted for a long time.
No, delete that, Landon.
And I can't delete this because this is live. I'm just kidding. I'll delete this video. Stop.
Stop it right